Good morning. All right, so we are on week 5. Okay, so if you and where everything is blue for this week, so we're gonna click down. It says week 5, 10:5 to 10:9. Okay, so if you notice, it says check in on Google Classroom. So you're gonna go in and answer the do now. Okay. There is a video, and that's what we're recording right now. All right. Says the assignment, and by the way, it is below on Classroom. Okay, so we already talked about this last week. We talked about making the slides. This is either a major or minor assessment, as long as you guys do pretty well on it. And if you notice, when you look into Classroom, it says right on the top here, class project. How do I affect my environment? We started this last week. You're gonna open this. Okay. All right. I'm just going to edit some of this stuff. But slide 1 is going to be your name and make a nice background. Slide 2, I updated the instructions here just to make it a little bit easier. List 3 things you do every day that negatively affects the environment. And then you're going to list 3 things that you can do to help the environment. Okay. It's a minor assessment, and we're going to continue this during the next week or so. I want you to check your grammar and your spelling, okay? We are in high school now, and it would be great if you guys were using the tools like the spell check or the little wiggling lines underneath your words. I would like you guys to be starting to use that stuff to your advantage, okay? So again, you're going to check in the stream. There's going to be a do now up here. It'll post tomorrow. And then where it says class project, how do I affect the environment? That's what you're going to click on, okay? I have a little bit of editing to do on it, but it'll be good to go tomorrow. All right, so I will see you guys on Wednesday.